Hi everyone, my name is Megan Lamkin, and I'm UC's Program Director for Undergraduate Research. I made undergraduate research what, why, how to give you a better sense of what research is, why students get involved, and how they access opportunity. This is part one, and it covers the what and why. I think it's important to first reflect on where we are. UC is a Research 1 institution, which means that out of more than 4,600 colleges and universities in the United States, we rank among the top 2% in terms of research activity. So your professors aren't just teaching, they're also working behind the scenes using research methods to produce new knowledge, new understanding of human experience, and creative and technical innovation. Research experiences can be course-based or apprenticeship style. You can find research courses by searching Catalyst for courses with an R attribute. Apprenticeship-style experiences are more like a job and involve working with a professor on their research initiative. They usually start out unpaid or for credit, advancing into paid opportunities if or when funding is available. These experiences are deeply enriching and often inspire students to pursue graduate school and research careers. But what is research really, and why do students pursue it? Research is a process that means different things to different people. When hundreds of professors from diverse disciplines and institutions were asked what research means to them, responses included creative activity and scholarship, producing new knowledge, systematic questioning and inquiry, and exploration and discovery. By blending these interpretations, a universal discipline-inclusive definition emerges. That is, a systematic study of a specific topic that results in new knowledge, new understanding, or creative or technical innovation. As an undergraduate student researcher, it's expected that you are involved in all aspects of the research process. This includes identifying a question or goal that has not been adequately answered or achieved, defining a strategy to answer the question or achieve the goal, and gathering and processing information through which the intellectual or creative outcome is derived. It is the academic duty of all researchers to share their work as broadly as possible so that others may learn from it and use it to inform future work. At the undergraduate level, being involved with all aspects of the research process is not the same thing as taking a lead. For example, a professor may already have a question or goal they would like you to work on. In this case, being involved means understanding from previous work why the question or goal matters and why the research strategy is appropriate. Students almost always contribute significantly to the information gathering and processing, as well as deriving the intellectual or creative outcome, and to presenting or otherwise ensuring others can access the work. To provide an outlet for students to present and preserve their work, we provide an annual scholarly showcase on main campus. At this event, hundreds of students from across the university give poster and podium presentations to faculty, staff, grad students, members of the community, and employer partners. Some students present at national and international conferences. We awarded these 6 students funding to help with travel. 1 discovered research in high school, and the other 5 discovered it in college. So if you are just beginning to wonder if research is for you, well, you're on the right track. When I ask students, why research? What was it that inspired you to pursue and continue on this path? The answers vary, but tend to focus on it being intellectually and socially satisfying. Sometimes students seeking research tell me they feel like they need it for medical school. And here is where I have to express caution. Professors want to work with students who are genuinely interested in their work. Feeling a need to check a box is not a good reason to get involved. Research is just one way to bolster readiness for what comes next, but it isn't for everyone. Many choose leadership, service, or other forms of professional practice experienced through co-ops, internships, and practicums. to complement their academic experience and gain leverage for future opportunities. If you're undecided which is for you, the best thing to do is learn more. And on that note, you may want to check out the second part of this video, focused on how to navigate the academic landscape for apprenticeship-style research experiences. Again, I'm Dr. Megan Lamkin, UC's Program Director for Undergraduate Research. For more information, find us online and on social media. Thanks for listening.